Every great Rolls-Royce begins its journey inside a real factory where craftsmanship is born. Inside these walls, large quantities of aluminum, steel, leather, and wood await transformation. These materials are not ordinary. They are chosen for strength, durability, and elegance. Skilled hands carefully measure and inspect each raw component. This wide factory floor is organized for precision, not speed. Workers examine every material destined for the first Rolls-Royce 10 HP. The atmosphere reflects focus, discipline, and engineering pride. Each inspection ensures nothing less than perfection enters production. Approved materials are prepared for the next stage of assembly. With materials ready, the creation of a legend begins. Before metal is shaped, the car is perfected on paper. Engineers carefully sketch the foundation of the Rolls-Royce 10 HP. Every line represents balance, performance, and reliability. Early prototypes bring ideas closer to reality. Designs are reviewed, refined, and re-examined. Technical drawings guide every future step. Materials are selected alongside design decisions. Precision adjustments ensure flawless integration. Collaboration turns vision into engineering excellence. The design is now ready to become a real machine. The engine, the heart of the Rolls-Royce, begins its assembly. Pistons are installed with absolute accuracy. Each workstation contributes to one perfect engine. Gears are polished to reduce friction and increase longevity. Engineers inspect every moving component. The engine is carefully mounted onto the chassis. Every bolt is tightened with expert precision. The engine hall reflects dedication and discipline. Completed engines await final integration. Power and reliability are now forged together. The chassis forms the backbone of the car. Steel components are aligned with extreme accuracy. Multiple frames are built simultaneously without compromise. Welds and joints are carefully inspected. Teamwork transforms steel into structure. The completed chassis stands ready for assembly. Alignment checks ensure perfect balance. Reinforcements strengthen safety and durability. Every connection is verified twice. The foundation of the Rolls-Royce is complete. The body begins to shape the car's identity. Panels are fixed with craftsmanship and care. Assembly teams work in perfect coordination. Steel surfaces are refined and smoothed. Alignment ensures elegance and strength. Curves are inspected for visual perfection. The car's form now becomes recognizable. Fastenings are checked for long-term durability. Final surface refinements prepare the body for paint. The body is now ready for finishing. Paint brings life to raw metal. Each layer is applied evenly and patiently. Controlled drying ensures flawless color. Polishing creates a deep, lasting shine. Inspections guarantee a perfect finish. Edges and joints receive special attention. The body now reflects elegance and pride. Protective coatings preserve the surface. Final buffing reveals the car's beauty. Inside, luxury is shaped by hand. Leather is stitched with patience and precision. Wood panels are carved and polished carefully. Dashboards are assembled with brass detailing. Interior teams maintain consistent excellence. Comfort and craftsmanship are closely inspected. Interiors are fitted into the car body. Every surface reflects refinement. The cabin now embodies luxury and comfort. The interior is now ready for final assembly. All components now unite into one machine. Engines are secured into their final position. Assembly moves with synchronized precision. Controls and systems are carefully installed. Quality engineers examine every detail. Engines are tested for reliability. Final inspections ensure perfection. Polishing adds the final touch. Completed cars line up proudly. The Rolls-Royce is ready for delivery. The journey from raw material to masterpiece is complete. The emblem symbolizes excellence. Engineers admire their finished creation. Every detail reflects timeless quality. The car prepares to leave the factory. A legend exits its birthplace. Each car carries its maker's dedication. History remembers the first Rolls-Royce. Documents preserve its story forever. This is the beginning of the Rolls-Royce legacy.